With increasing automation in the workplace, like manufacturing settings, factories, and warehouses, the human-machine interface has become a focus for the industry. And Andreas, with Proglove, you've created a glove that's wearable, that's helping workers do their job more efficiently and more safely. How are you achieving that?
We put the human in the center of what we do, because we also believe that even with increasing automation, there's a big role for the human to play. And that's why we created something that is very ergonomic, very lightweight, but has the ability to really interact with the digital surrounding. The glove has a barcode scanner on the back. So it's much easier for someone to use a barcode scanner. It saves him burst scan up to 6-7 seconds, which is a lot in the automotive. A second means a euro per scan. But what we have done is we have put a lot of sensors in there, like movement sensors, temperature, how many steps have people done, so that we can really see how a human can improve or his way of working, or can be safer in the way he does work.
Are there any statistics around how much of a positive impact you've had?
One of our biggest customers, he used our product and he found out that he increased his productivity by over 30%, which is a lot. Plus, which is something that's really important, the time to get someone onboarded gets down from a week to a day, which means a lot, especially if you see how many people get hired at Amazon or DHL or other companies. That means a lot to them.
Because you're able to monitor their activities, and people doing training are able to see, okay, that person's doing that well, not so well, and providing the feedback more quickly.
That's one component, yes. The other component is really, it's so intuitive. As I said, we used a human-centric principle that people immediately know how to do it. They don't need to search for the scanner. They have it on their back. It's just pure and simple.
That would mean the onboarding time is great, but also the capital cost must be a concern for some of the big manufacturers. How expensive is it to get using Proglove?
It's not more expensive than a normal scanner. We just put more intelligence into the product, especially what you said, the human traceability. I mean, the traceability on what he's doing, how many steps he does, comes for free. That's our way of complementing the product and showing an immediate benefit. And if you go into a factory, a logistics center, the way how they try to optimize a logistics center is pretty old-fashioned. They use paper, they use a pen, they walk behind someone doing a job and try to figure out how much he can save. And we can do it with a hit of a button and online, real time.
What does the longer-term roadmap look like for the applications of Proglove?
Everything we do needs to be, on the hardware side, needs to be wearable. It needs to be super light, very efficient. It needs to be in a form that a human doesn't feel he's wearing something. And on the other side, we try to build software that is, again, so super simple and gets the information that really helps the human, but also the people behind the process to optimize things. For example, one thing we did within 2 weeks was, when Corona was here, we built a proximity app where the device could actually measure the distance and then give haptical feedback that you are too close to someone. So it really helped people to get back to work safer and sooner.